The 2018 Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, air conditioning front, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, power windows, CD player, electronic stability control, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, cloth seat trim, front reading lamps, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror, speed control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.